average price range and stock market genes. Average price range and stock market gene. We are on a monthly chart of Conagra Foods. Is that correct? And the APIC is CAG, Charlie Alpha Golf. And we want to discuss average price range and stock market gene. All right. So there is something that I like to call, okay, stock market gene. And I believe that each financial instrument, okay, has its own stock market gene. All right. So what am I calling stock market gene? Is the price range during a trending phase. So if a stock went up from point A to point B, all right, like this, all right, and then it pulled back, all right. So there was a trending phase followed by, okay, a profit taking, all right, or a pullback. So what I'm calling a price range is between okay, the starting point of the trending phase, the height, okay, between the starting point of the trending phase and the top of the trending phase. So if a price moved from A to B, there was a trending phase, and then the price pulled back for a harvest time or a profit taking, or what we like to call a correction when we are talking about Elliott wave principle. The stock market gene is the distance between the beginning, this line, okay, and this line here, the low of the trending phase, the distance between the low of the trending phase and the high of the trending phase. So that's what I like to call the stock market gene. You will notice that some stock may go up over the year. Their stock market gene may be $10. So you will notice that those stock, anytime they have a trending phase, they may go up only $10. You'll be amazed that the small money is playing with what I like to call the stock market gene. And as soon as the stock reaches, okay, the $10 level, is considered as overbought. So you will notice that each time the stock pull back and start going up, they are using the stock market gene, all right, the distance between the previous trend. I'm going to explain to you in a minute and it will become clearer to you, all right. And then we use that distance to see how far the price can go up. Some stock can have the stock market gene that I like to call the distance between the low of the trending phase and the high of the trending phase. There is a bit of a similarity between what we call the average, okay, price range. So it's something else to do with the candlestick range, okay, average price range. But here I want to talk about stock market gene, which is measuring, okay, the height of a trending phase or the depth of okay, a bearish trend, all right, okay, from the high of the bearish trend to the lowest point of the bearish trend before the correction. We have the gene of that stock. You will see some stock may have, okay, the average price range or a stock market gene that is quite stable. So for instance, this stock that we are looking at here, Conagra Foods. So as always, as I say to traders, if you come across something new for the first time, what usually first take place, because traders never heard about it, they will discount it, they will reject it, they will trample over it, okay? That's why they say that you do not give children food to the dog. Though no one is dog, this is an expression people use to say that you give a valuable, okay, items to children. You don't give gold, all right, gold to somebody who do not appreciate gold. So the point I want to make here, I'm discussing, I'm presenting, I'm publishing something that is new, something that I have discovered. Generally, what usually takes place, people will reject it, which is okay. But the best approach, one can disagree, one can criticize, all right, which is normal. You can disagree, you can criticize, you can put your point forward, which means you open a constructive discussion, which will put me a little bit under pressure to review my discovery. So probably together we may come up with something better. All right? This is the way I see it. Unless, okay, you have other motive that you want to fulfill, that's your own business. So the point I want to make, you can see this stock here, Conagra Foods. You see the trending for the stock went up from 1988 up to at the beginning of 1992. All right, so 1988 to 1991, end of 1991. You see, this is the beginning, okay, of the trending phase before the correction. So trending phase, correction, we highlight the low of the trend and okay, the high of the trend, and we use that distance between the high and the low, okay, of the trending phase. So this is the low of the trending phase before the correction. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the high. So we measure that distance. So for this stock, that what I'm calling the stock market gene is this distance here. So for this stock, the price went now from the level of $5, call it $5, up to $18. That's $13. So I may say at that point in time that Conagra Foods, if my pronunciation is correct, you can put your comment in the comment section, which is okay with me. Okay, that's the platform YouTube. All right, comment section. All right, so in my view, at this point in time, I may say Conagra, okay, a food has okay a stock market gene of $13. So whenever a new trend is starting or the price breaks above okay a resistance level, I may use that okay stock market gene to forecast a possible reversal point, either in an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, or whenever I see a pullback, I may use okay the stock market gene, the specific stock market gene for this specific stock, in this case Conagra Foods American stock listed on the Russell 1000, to determine how far the price can rally up or pull back. Okay, so let's begin the demonstration. If you look carefully here, as the price break above this resistance, okay, we can use the stock market gene for Conagra, which is $13. So we break this resistance, you see here, you break above that resistance and retest it here. Okay, here. So I will put my okay, I know my target, okay. So I will use the stock market gene, which is the height of a trending phase, which is similar to the average price range, but it's not the average price range. It's the height between the low and the high of a trending phase. Then I will expect the stock, as it's pulled back here, that it has a high chance to go up to this point here. Okay? Then I will set a target level at that point in time. And if the price breaks above that target, you see here, it breaks above that target and retest it again here. Am I talking to myself? You see that the price breaks above that target and retest it here. I will use again my stock market gene, which is the average okay, range of a trending phase, how far the price can go up during a trending phase. Another thing I want to highlight, once you use the stock market gene, as you can see, it's $13 here. We can also set our ultimate target, and we want to remember that professional also watching the midpoint target, which is somewhere in this zone. That's where the price did change direction. All right. So it's similar a bit to market geometry, but it's a different type of market geometry. I haven't finished with my demonstration here. So if you look carefully here, now you can see that it's become very, very interesting here. You can see that now the stock pullback. So a stock pullback start going up. How far is going to go up? One more time, we'll use okay the stock market gene to set a target. So here he pull back like this, start going up. Now we set a target that this stock, if it's going up, okay, or down, it's a high chance that it will stop somewhere in the zone of $37. So as the price going up, we will set our target here, which is $37 zone, and we'll also watch the median line, the midpoint of our target, which is near the level of $30. This will help us to manage our trade, to set target, and also to forecast how far the price can go up or down. how far the financial instrument. We can apply this for stock, for commodity, and for currency pair. All right. Okay, it makes sense. So anytime you can see again here, as the price pull back here, you see, so we start going down, now it start changing direction. We use the stock market gene. Again, we set our target here, and we also monitor the midpoint target somewhere in this zone. You see, usually we may see a reversal near the median line, or the price may continue to reach the target. So a price, you see, after this pullback here, you apply that strategy, so it start going up. Oops, take profit near midpoint. Now it pull back again to retest it. Now you see here, we have another pullback here. We use again. All right, here it is, midpoint, somewhere here. See, all right. You can leave the whole line on your chart to know where are the possible. Okay, so here again, you set your target. So here you see pullback start going up. Your target again, see pullback start going up. How far maximum can it go? $13. That's what I like to call for this stock market gene. All right. Anytime the price pullback start going up, you use, we see here pullback all the way here, start going up. Here again, you can see that, okay, the midpoint, price final resistance there. So now you can see pullback again here. You can use again that stock market gene, and then you set your ultimate target there, and you also set your midpoint target, and watching the reaction of the price along those zones. See again, price pullback here. You will again project your stock market gene, which is similar to the average price range, and you will also pay attention to the midpoint target. All right, and so on. One more time, you can see the stock here. You see it start going down, so it went up, start changing direction. You will again put it there. How far can it go down? And then again, you set your target like this. Okay, and your ultimate bearish target will be this level, okay, and the midpoint target here, as you can see, the price is now, okay, hold on please, I need to bring more data, you can see, because, okay, and then the price pull back to, okay, so start going down, your ultimate target, that's where it went to $13. So you can see this stock, we can say that the stock market gene, okay, for $13 is true for this stock, Conagra Foods. So if you buy Conagra stocks or you sell it, your maximum profit that you are looking to manage the risk, to control the risk, is $13. And it's working beautifully, okay? Here it is, see pullback, you set it again. Here you see another pullback all the way here, start going down, you set your target. So here it is, your ultimate target, your midpoint target, okay, somewhere here. All right. So this is something new for many traders that we are watching. See here, ultimate. So it's a pullback going up, ultimate target here, midpoint target here is price pullback. Again, we see any pullback price going up. We want to know how far maximum, okay, can it go. All right. So by using what I like to call the stock market gene, okay, here it is. We see pullback. Well, how far can it go? So you use again, you set it here, okay. And then you have your midpoint target somewhere here. So here, as it start going now, you see here, midpoint target, final resistance. One more time, if you keep doing this, you will see that you will pinpoint the best place. Where is the price going? Where is it heading? So here again, we see another pullback, start going up. You set your ultimate target again in that zone. And you look, $13, one more time, $13. Can you believe it? $13. So this is what I call, okay, the stock market gene for this stock. You see here, pullback going up, $13 maximum we are expecting. If it goes above it, we set another target using the $13 level. And here we are paying attention to the midpoint target. So ultimate target, that's where we are now, in the zone of $53.54. Midpoint target in the zone, if I divide it carefully to have exact median line, so it's at $47.55. That's where the price is now. This is just an introduction to something that I have discovered. I've been observing the price, okay, and I discovered that there's something that we can call stock market gene, which is a specific, okay, a trend range for each financial instrument. For this stock that I am using, I'm analyzing here, Conagra Foods, American stock, the stock market gene is equal to $13. So you can go out now, okay, look at different stock, see the previous range for the trending first, so to know exactly what's happening here. One more time, you can see here, look carefully here. If I show you one more time, continue, see here. So the first time we measure here, you see the correction. Okay, for us who understand area way, the correction is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 correction here. So if we see now, okay, at the end of the area way cycle, trending first, correction, a new cycle has begun here. Where is it going? So from this point onward, price start going up. Where is it going? $13. Here, look, boom, $13. It stopped there, pull back. So again, any pullback, it start going now. You set your target using what I like to call the stock market gene. Okay, so here you start going now. You see how you see here how the price break above the target, retest it on the dot. Am I talking to myself? All right, see here. This is so it's pull back, start going down. How far is it going? All right, see here. When above it, retest it, and boom, up again. We can pull back again. We set our target again here. All right, adjust the line. Okay, pull back. How far is it going? Set your ultimate target and a midpoint target and monitor the reaction of the price, okay, around those, profit target level. So if you do that on the 2-hour time frame or the 4-hour time frame for day trading purposes, you know you can apply this strategy on any time frame. In fact, okay, price trend, and then you see a correction, measure. Okay, what I like to call, you can have what I like to call short-term, okay, stock market gene if you're on a lower time frame. All right, if you're on a weekly to monthly chart, you may say, okay, medium-term stock market gene. And if you're on a higher time frame, quarterly chart, yearly chart, you may say long-term, okay, stock market gene. You can also measure that, the trending first on a quarterly chart, and the correction, the range of that trending first, and you can use that, okay, to set a profit target, to set your profit loss, and to manage the trade, to forecast how far the price can go up or down. And this is a powerful tool, especially on a monthly chart. As you can see, it has worked beautifully, and we can use that, okay, to navigate through the market and know where the price is likely to change direction, how far the price can go up. And this is a very powerful tool that we can use in the stock market. Okay, introducing to the stock market what I like to call stock market gene is similar to the average price range, but this time the range that we are talking about is the range of a trending first that we are using to forecast what is likely to take place in the near future. All right, it makes sense. I'm very much open for comment. So if you have any comment, so first time you watch something like this, if you have tried how it was for you, what you have seen, have you noticed something that I have not pointed out here, put in the comment section, and then we continue with the discussion. And I will be busy recording another video, okay, to explain to you, okay, what is the stock market gene and the average price trend. I hope you will also find this video useful, and we put into use to make excellent day trading, swing trading, and position trading decision. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about average price range, stock market gene.